Hey guys, as promised, that this is the video for one of my tracks that I made when you opted in to download for free music. This is Cakewalk by BandLab. This is the DAW software I use to make most of my music. On the left here is the interface that I have going on. Right here we have the different tracks and the names of the synths, tracks I use. I wanted to create a sort of atmospheric ocean-like for this track, and as you see a lot of the same things. The lines are the same. This is known as layering. You take one synth, you copy it, and you paste it on another track or another sound, so it creates a different sound altogether. Down here, if you scroll down here, I see these little things here, these little snippets of loops, little that I pasted repeatedly. These are known as loops, tracks, um, hi-hats or different sounds to bring out the beat of the track. We also have, it just continues on and on like that. Um, here's more. Basically, sometimes your DAW software comes with pre-made loops and samples that you can copy and paste in here. Most of these loops and samples I used in this track are, you know, already pre-made. So this here is a sample that I used in the software that what the software came with. It says Florida, natural Florida sound. On the left here is the console um, that kind of shows you the. This is known as mixing. It has the mute button, the solo button, and the record button. And these are the little scrolls you can go up and down. This controls the volume. Right here is the pan that controls whether the music will come from the left ear, like this. It's going to play from the left ear. And if you double click left on your button on your mouse, it'll go right back to the default position. And here's this. These are the input and outputs. Input right now is none. I don't have a MIDI software hooked up or a MIDI keyboard hooked up, so it's going to be none. Output is drums. There's a whole explanation about that, but basically I made a bus and I renamed it as drums, so you can basically buses are like little um, signals where you can send all the tracks you want to be playing together into um, one bus, into one area, and then from there you can record and you can mix and master only those tracks that go to this bus right here. So for example, anything that's over here, anything that's labeled as drums, those sounds will be rerouted over to this bus right here, and then you can go ahead and control the sound from that. So that's a small little take of what I do, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want any more, please feel free to comment. I'm going to put this on my YouTube video, but YouTube channel, so go ahead and comment and let me know what you think of this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you around.